What's up guys, we'll be hunting bucephalandra today. I know where it's located, hopefully it's still there, so let's check it out. I spotted this about 2-3 months ago. I just wanted to leave it there first, but I think it's time I harvest it. So you can see that this area is sort of shaded. The water usually actually doesn't even touch the plant, so it's usually above the water. So yeah, that is what we want. So yeah, where it's growing is pretty shaded. Yeah, I don't think it gets any direct sun whatsoever throughout the day. Yeah, so I'll try to recreate these grow conditions. High humidity, good access to water, but not submerged. At home. I'm just gonna grab a few more of these and then we'll head back.